No!
What? It's just cake.
Exactly, just cake. Let me show you something better. Okay, hear me out. It's the same cozy spice cake flavor, but without the guilty feeling of eating sugar when you're on your diet. We got real pumpkin, we got plain Greek yogurt for the creamy texture, we got bananas for your natural sweetness, and then we got the maple syrup to keep everything classy. And we're gonna spice things up with our spices.
I don't mean to interrupt, but are you sure it's gonna taste like the spice cake you just snatched from me?
Trust me, babe. It's gonna taste better because it ain't gonna hurt your stomach. Here's the secret step that will take your smoothie to the next level. It's called blooming. We're gonna wake up those spices so your smoothie tastes baked and not raw. Okay, let's grab our small saucepan and let's turn our stove on warm. Now let's take our ingredients and add it to the saucepan that I will post on the screen. Fun fact, if you never had Ceylon cinnamon, then you never had real cinnamon before.
That actually smells kind of good.
I know the blooming step may be a little bit tedious, but trust me, it's worth it. I'm not saying your smoothie will be bad, but it might not be all that. But here are all the ingredients that we will use for today's smoothie. Now, let's take our NutriBullet blender and add all of our ingredients into it. All right, let's add the almond milk. Next, the delicious pumpkin pie stuffing. Now, after all the hard work is done, the easiest part. Let's pour up. Let's see, y'all. Beautiful. Now that's a pumpkin spice smoothie right there. Okay, y'all, last but not least, I had to be a little fancy, so let's use some whipped cream and put it on top. So we like it at Starbucks. Fantastic. And then we're gonna take our Ceylon cinnamon, which is the real cinnamon, and we're gonna sprinkle a little bit on top. So it'll give you Starbucks vibes in the wintertime. Okay, babe, tell me what you think.
It tastes pretty good.
Thank you, thank you.
But
What?
gotta go eat my cake, bro. Punkalicious.
Husbands. It sips different when you smoothie living. Subscribe for the next recipe.